Hi everyone. So your job today is to go back to the story that you wrote yesterday and try to add at least 5 details. So on the next slide, you're going to see some ideas to help you write about details. So you could put some outside details in, like where things happen, details about when and who, or some inside details, like what your characters are thinking about and remembering and feeling. Or some sensory details. Your senses are touch, smell, taste, hearing, and your sight. So you can use all of these ideas as a writer to help you make your writing even more interesting. So you're going to need to reread your story from yesterday and think, where can I add some details? Wow, wow, went Kaylee, the newborn baby. Well, maybe I can describe the baby a little bit more. Um, she's tiny. Maybe she's really tiny. That's an outside a feature, what someone looks like. So I'm going to use a different color to edit mine. You can use a different color, a crayon, a marker, or a colored pen, or just use your normal pen or pencil. Wow, wow, went Kaylee, the tiny newborn baby. Her mother rushed over. Well, I'm thinking like where? Where is she? Rushed over to her crib. Let's pretend she's in her crib. And notice I just put a caret there to add whatever details I need. Rushed over to her crib to see what was wrong. Believe it or not, there were 10 black spiders crawling all over baby Kaylee's face. I'm wondering how she was feeling. Um, She felt, what could I say? She felt like she was being attacked. Okay, I'm going to add that sentence. She felt like she was being attacked. Period. Okay. Kaylee kept crying. She was so afraid. Whoosh! And I need to put an exclamation point after whoosh. Mom used a tissue, maybe a uh, maybe she quickly grabbed it. Mom used a tissue to quickly grab all the spiders and flush them down the toilet. Mom used a tissue, so I'm going to add the word quickly and flush them down the toilet. In the end, Kaylee was happy again. And maybe I'll add, what did that look like? She had a big grin on her face. She had a big grin on her face. Okay, let's count and see how many details I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. That's the goal, to try to go back to your story and add 5 details. So just think, how can I make the story more interesting? How can I say more to help the reader picture it in their mind? Happy writing!